Hi, Martin Evans, Fedrick Harris Estate Homes in Bridgeland. With the completion of our homes in Sheldon Lake, we have now opened our new 90 and 100-foot sections in Prairieland. The sections are gated and a number of the lots with water views. They range from 16,000 to 30,000 square feet. We have also a number of inventory homes under construction, highlighting our popular Villa Rialto, Medici and Messina plans. Please call me 832-457-8298 and I will be delighted to meet with you and introduce you to our homes. Thank you.